Hi, I'm Leona.
Hi, I'm Grace. So today we are going to share with everyone the best foundation trick ever with Double Serum.
Oh, why Double Serum?
So Double Serum is Clarins' iconic product. This is a legendary worldwide top seller and it has been around for more than 30 years. This is the 8th generation.
I see. Why is this so powerful?
It contains a total of 21 plant ingredients to protect our skin and also to give our skin the firm and youthful looking skin.
What is also very interesting is that the Double Serum can be added into any skincare as well as makeup products. Because of the unique texture of the Double Serum, it can be easily mixed into your skincare products like your face cream, your mask, to give the additional boost in skincare benefits, as well as makeup as well. So today we're going to show you the best foundation tip ever with foundation and a drop of the Double Serum. Right, so when we add the Double Serum into any of your foundation, it's going to make your foundation a lot more easy to apply. Plus, the foundation will then give you all the added skin benefits from Double Serum. So this is Clarins' the newest foundation. This is the Skin Illusion Foundation that promised to give you a really light, natural effect. So what we're going to do is just to add a little bit of Double Serum, like a small drop, into the foundation. And you can see here, give it a really good mix. So what Double Serum is going to do for your foundation is that it's going to make it a lot more softer. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it on our skin to show you the results. So I will use a brush.
I'm going to use my fingers because this is my usual application way.
Oh, this feels really light. Done! Oh, I really like this finish. It feels really, really light, just like a second skin.
I like this because it's like a serum-like texture of the liquid foundation.
Right, so we're going to finish the rest of our makeup and we will see you later. And hi, we are back. We just finished our makeup. And Grace, I love your makeup.
Thank you, Leona. I love it too. I find that the foundation with the Double Serum is very light. It's like my second skin.
Right, and I like it on mine as well because it's really matte, not so shiny, just the way I like it. So if you like our makeup tips and tricks,
Please watch our other videos.
bye!